Hello everyone and welcome back again to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we would like to talk about crypto arbitrage. Though we have talked about this same topic, we have treated it before, but we still receive a lot of messages to make it more clear. So in this tutorial, we will want you to pay a very close attention to this. These are the notable things you need to understand before embarking on crypto arbitrage. But before we get started, we would like to put this into the air that some people are parading us. They are impersonating our channel, our community, to extort money from people, meaning they are scamming people. The admin Beedatech will never ask you of any money, will never chat you, private chat you up. Anybody that chats you up or asks you to come for any investment is a scam. Do not, please kindly report. And this is our channel here. So here is our Telegram community. The Telegram community carries learn to earn with Beedatech, and if you want to chat the admin, you can easily locate the real Beedatech. That is the admin. That is the admin of the platform and the owner of this Beedatech. So if you want to chat him up, you can quickly chat him up there. Please do not give your money to anybody like this. Now we discover this person, we discover this community is actually using our name and our logo to scam people. There was a cases that pop up last 3 days ago that someone was scammed, and we actually thought maybe the person was paid to come and jeopardize us, to come and blackmail us, and actually he was scammed. Here is him, he was scammed from that platform. Now he's thinking that we are the one that scam him. We are not the one. I will never ask you to come and give me money, or I don't need your money. If I needed your money, I would have organized VIP platform for, and you see, I did not organize any VIP. I only do this for the sake of community, and our service is very free, and I am always ready to assist, whether in the private or in the public. So this is our main group for our discussion, and we also have the where we post updates, which is, so this is the update platform. As you can see, there is nothing mixed to it. It's only admin that have access to post here. So this is the update platform. Anything you see here is what we do. So aside from this, we don't have, and as you can see, we have Beedatech channel, and here is it, Beedatech update, and this is just it. We don't have any other channel than this, and like I say, Beedatech will never message you, so disregard any message you see. Please kindly report. Now let's get started. And also, a quick disclaimer also, we are not your financial advice. Please kindly seek for more knowledge before you carry out any trade or any investment in crypto. Crypto is very volatile and can take your money at any moment if you are not being careful. Please, we do not encourage nor ask you to do anything that you don't have knowledge on. We only share we only share information and the contents based on educational purpose. Please, we did not stand as a financial advisor to anybody. So now, before you carried out crypto arbitrage, there are some notable things you need to understand, which is order book, liquidity, volume, contract, the time range, also the gas fee, and what again, um and this if you understand these basic things in crypto, you should be able to carry out successful arbitrage, because the crypto arbitrage itself is the form of buying low from this platform and selling high on other platform. The little changes in the price is the one that you are after, which you make a little profit. So if you want to carry out, some of you are asking me, how much do you need to carry out? No, why? I don't have to say, I don't have idea of how much you need to carry. But if you want to carry out arbitrage, you need a reasonable amount. So some people will be like, no, I don't want to say anything about that. So now the first thing is, you need to understand what order book is. Order book is one of the important thing in the crypto space, not only for arbitrage. If you want to participate in crypto, anything about crypto, you need to understand what order book is. You see these things here, this thing here, this green here, this red here, and also this here, they are the one called order book, and they are very important. So you don't just come to crypto market and say, okay, you have become a trader, no, you want to start trading. No, you need to understand this basic thing. Now this order book, the green is this green here. Let assuming you have a coin to sell. I have this C. No, I want to purchase this C, and you can see is currently buy here. Is buy here. The buy here. So where will I buy? I am going to buy from this guy's red here. I'm going to buy from red here. From red here. So I'm going to buy from here. And if I want to sell, where will I sell? I'm going to sell from me to here. So these are the basic things that we need to understand. We have the market order, we have the limit order, which is here. You see here we have limit order, we have the market order execution. Now, what is limit order and what is market order? Limit order is, let assuming this coin is the current market order, the current market price is 0.1631, and I want it to reach 0.1520 before I buy. And you can see it's telling me. So now if I place it now, I will just place the amount I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy like $50. You see, once it come to this, it's going to execute. And for the market order, meaning that I want to buy at this current price, I will just put it market order, and immediately I press buy, it's not going to ask me. Once I press the amount of the USDT, is going to execute immediately, and we have stop limits and blah blah like that. So now you need to understand this basic thing. Let assuming you get a signal from somewhere that you should buy or sell on this price, please adhere to that and set it, because it's very important, it's very crucial in the crypto space. So now if you want to make a lot of profit in crypto, you need to follow this step. For example, now you want to buy you want to carry out arbitrage worth of maybe $30 worth of this coin, and here is it. The market order is different from this dude selling here. These people here, you see the market price is 19002. Okay, it has changed, but this guy here is selling 1920. This guy is selling 1920, and you can see this is how they sell. If you are okay with their price, you can just press the guy price and you execute the price, the market. And the same here, if you want to sell your coin after you are bought from this channel, from this platform to other platform, these are the same people that you are selling to. These green people, they are the one you are selling to. So you just execute your price, your trade, and voila, it is going to execute. So that is order book. This is order book. So you still need to understand something called liquidity. What is liquidity? And liquidity in market is the, you see this thing that is moving, that is flotating, this thing, this number that is just scrolling, is liquidity. The buying and the selling of the market is liquidity. If there is no liquidity, this place will just be like dumb. Is not going to move. If there is no liquidity in this market, it's going to move. So it's not going to move. It will just be stranded like that. There is nothing will move here. So that is liquidity. That is just the form of liquidity. And we also have volume again. You see this thing, let me take you here. You see this thing here. You see this thing here is volume. This thing under BTC is volume. This thing under Ethereum is volume. Let me read it for you. You can see the first one is we have MX slash USDT. This MS slash USDT here, MS slash USDT, and has liquidity and has volume on 446.84, meaning that this has been traded for over 24 hours for 46.84 million times in this platform, in this exchange. This BTC has traded 441 million times this exchange in last 24 hours. This Ethereum and etc like that. So you need to understand that not all coin are good for, not all tokens are good for arbitrage, because there is difference between coin and token, but that is another topic. So you still need to understand again the contract address of the coin. Are they the same? The gas fee, if you, because those are the challenges we face in crypto arbitrage. Let for example now, you purchase a coin on MEX, and you want to sell it to maybe Binance, bybit, or any other exchanges. You will notice that you have BSC exchange as a contract, as a gas fee here, maybe as a deposit or as a withdrawal fee. And on the others exchange, you will notice that you have Ethereum as a gas fee, or you have Arbitrum as a gas fee. So you need to be very careful that if you send your BEP 20 here to Ethereum, you are going to lose your money. So that is also major things we are facing in crypto arbitrage. But I'm going to show you this platform that give you little information about it. So once you follow this step, you should be able to. And also remember that, not, as I said, not all crypto are tradable for arbitrage, because some crypto you send it today, some crypto take a week before they deliver to other 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 exchanges. So it's very important for you to be very careful about sending how you buy a token. So let me head over to this channel. So this platform is quite different from the other one I shared you, and I'm going to leave the link in the description. So we have many tokens here, many coins here, and you see, we have as many of them. And you can see this is how they are. You buy, you see, you buy at this price, the price I just show you now on order book, and you sell at this price on order book at these exchanges and order book, and it give you the percentage of the profits, and also it give you the status of the coin. So these are the challenges we are facing. Like example now, you found a good coin with good liquidity and good volume, but you don't know is either the deposit or the withdrawal is open. You don't know, but this one is going to give you some basic information. Like now, it's going to load here. Now the withdrawal is not open, and the withdrawal is ERC20, which is Ethereum, which you are going to run away from because you are not going to make a profit. But on the other exchange, the withdrawal is open, and which is, you can see is a green, so it's giving you a green flag that withdrawal is open. So this this platform will actually help you. So I will only advise you to be very careful and do more research about this before you carry it out. So this is just it, and you see is ERC20 on something like that. So here is it, manta, and sometime all you need, okay, this, okay, like this one now is very good. Both withdrawal and you see, both withdrawal and deposits are open. Let's check which of the coin It said Digi Fitness. I really don't know about this exchange, and Get.io, and what is it is Manta. So I really don't know about this exchange, so I'm not interested. I'm not going for that. And let's check the one that maybe we will see something about. Okay, sorry, let me click on that Manta and see. Sorry. Okay, let's check another one. Dots no SDN STT soon avian. So you see, we just have many trade like that, so all you need to focus is here. And sometimes do not focus on this number are just a number. They are going to stress you much. The more the number are, the exchanges are not they are not momo, so they are not mu. They are going to they are going to they are going to manipulate it. They are going to lock. Some will lock the withdrawal, and the other one will lock the deposit. If this one open is withdrawal, the other one is going to suspend it. So those are the, but this will give you a basic idea of it. So if you just check it, you say this one is a dot withdrawal status on is they say please check it. So they ask you to check, but according to here is red, so we cannot withdraw. You cannot deposit, but we can withdraw. So that is the basic things you need to understand on this arbitrage. So, and I believe that you have grabbed something, and if you still have a question to ask, please feel free. I'm going to leave the link of this in the description. So arbitrage is not there, it's just that you need to be very careful. And also, not all exchanges are good for arbitrage. Some exchanges, if you put your money inside, they are going to deny you from taking back your money. There is an exchange that I discovered. We actually want to make use of the exchange, but seriously, what we read about the exchange was very bad. So, and we will never introduce you guys to anything that will hurt you or hurt the community. So you need to be very careful. Always go for the good exchanges, the exchanges that are well known, reputable, and those who have already made them and have good recommendations. So it's very important to be careful with exchanges. The exchanges will deny you from taking your money. You keep messaging them, they will not even answer you. So it's very important to be careful. So I will want you to go through this, do proper research, try it before you carry it out, make it, look at the gas fee before you transfer from here to there, look at it, and look what again, that is just it. If you just manage what I just tell you now, look at this other book. They are telling you to buy here, you go there, you copy the price from here, you paste it there. If the price is little okay with it, and do you know that is the same with a market order, you can execute immediately and send it to where you are going to sell it. So there is still a lot of profit in crypto arbitrage, but I will advise you to focus on the less profit, less percentage, because this high percentage is just going to give you a headache. But if you are still lucky, you will still have this as the you will still have this, and you can see you can go to Nest, and I think they also have a Telegram community that you can join as well. Here they also have Telegram community here, so you can join them, and this thing updates. You see trade update 0, which means it's updating. It's a live trade that is updating at any moment. So see you in our community. Thank you.